Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil sir of support classes of University of Shula. We have started a chapter in science of class 9 NCERT, that is motion. In our previous videos we have studied some part of this chapter. Now we will move towards on next point in this chapter. Please student, if you have not seen my previous videos, please go through my previous videos. I have given you links of those videos in my description box. Please check description box and go through those videos. Now we will move towards next example, that is example number 8.5. A train starting from rest attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. Here train started from rest. From rest means initial velocity, and attains a velocity of 72 km per hour. This is the final velocity in 5 minutes, and this is the time. Assuming that the acceleration is uniform and the acceleration is uniform. Now we have to find first acceleration and second the distance traveled by the train for attaining this velocity. This we have to find. Now we will see the answers of this question. See here. Here in given they have mentioned about first initial velocity. Already I have told, from rest means initial velocity 0, final velocity 72 km per hour. Now if we want to convert in meter, then we have to multiply that 72 into 5 upon 18. Now we will divide 18 1 is 18, 18 4 is 72, then remaining 4 into 5, 4 5 is 20 meter per second. Now time has given 5 minutes, we convert it into second, it means 5 into 60, it becomes 5 6 are 30 and 0 as it is, means 300 seconds. Now we know that the some formulas for these solving problems. First we know that the formula for acceleration, that is a is equal to v minus u upon t. V is there 20, u is 0, upon time 300. Now 20 minus 0, 20 as it is, upon 300 as it is. Now first we will cancel the 0. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, 1 here remain, 2 5s are 10. It means 1 upon 15 meter per second square. Therefore the acceleration of the train is 1 upon 15 meter per second square. Now second we have to calculate distance. For distance formula we are taking 2s is equal to v square minus u square. Now 2s as it is equal to v square minus u is 0 0 square, then 2as is equal to v square to 0 square 0 as it is. Now we have taken 2as on right hand side, it becomes s is equal to v square upon 2a. Now v is 20 bracket square 2 as it is into a is 1 upon 15. Now here we have taken 20 square 400 into this 15 goes numerator side into 15 upon 2 into 1 as it is. Then we divide 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. Now when we multiply this 200 into 15, 15 2s are 30 and 30 as it is. It means 3000 meter in kilometer, only 3 kilometer. Now the distance traveled by the train is 3 kilometer. In this way first we have seen. Now we will move towards next question, that is 8.6. In 8.6, a car accelerated uniformly from 18 km per hour. Now here u is there, u is 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour. Here final velocity is there, that is 36 km per hour in time 5 seconds. Now we have to calculate the acceleration second, the distance covered by the car in time. Now for that given, see here, given is there, given u is equal to 18 km per hour. When we convert into meter, we have to multiply. In previous question I have told you 5 upon 18, then 18 cancel, remain only 5 meter per second. Final velocity 36 km per hour. Again we convert it into meter. For that we have to multiply 5 upon 18. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, then 2 5s are 10 meter per second. Time has given, that is 5 seconds. Now we know that the formula is in this way. See here, formula we know that A is equal to V minus U upon T. V is 10, U is 5, time T is again 5 seconds. Now 10 minus 5, 5 upon 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 1 upon 1 means only 1 meter per second square. This is the acceleration of the car is 1 meter per second square. Now for second distance, for distance formula, S is equal to ut plus 1 upon 80 square. Now u is 5, time is also 5 seconds, plus as it is 1 upon 2 as it is into a, we have just calculated, that is 1, and t 5 seconds, that is 5 bracket square. Now 5 5s are 25 plus 1 upon 2 into 1 as it is, 5 square 25, and 25 as it is, plus then 1 upon 2 as it is, then 25 ones are 25, then we can divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 remain, here 1 remain, then here 1 remain, we have to take here point and take here 0, then 2 5s are 10, it becomes 25 plus 12.5 as it is. Then when we add this, now addition you can do in this way. First we write 25.0, here 12.5. When we calculate this, 5 as it is, 0.7, 5 plus 2 7, then 2 plus 1 3, that is 37.5, that is 37.5 meter. Therefore the distance covered by the car is 37.5 meter. Now we will move towards the next question. Here next question is there, that is 8.7. The brakes applied to a car produce an acceleration of 6 meter per second square in the opposite direction. See here, acceleration is opposite direction. Opposite means we have to take minus sign. That is acceleration is equal to minus 6 meter per second square in opposite direction of the motion. If the car takes 2 seconds, that is time, to stop after the application of brakes. Now we have to calculate distance, means yes, we have to calculate it travel during this time. Now see, in given what are there, see here, given acceleration opposite is there, that is 6 meter per square, t is there 2 seconds, then velocity 0 meter per second. Now we know that the formula, first v is equal to u plus at. First we have to calculate u. For that we have taken this formula, v0 is equal to u as it is plus a minus 6 t into 2. Now u as it is, now plus minus 6 to the 12, it becomes u is equal to, when we take minus 12 on left hand side, it becomes plus, that is u is equal to 12 meter per second. Now next we have to calculate distance. Now distance formula, s is equal to ut plus 1 upon t, 80 square, u 12, time 2 seconds plus 1 upon 2 into acceleration minus 6 time 2 bracket square. 12 to the 24 plus 1 upon 2, then here minus 6 as it is into 2 square 4. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6. 24 as it is plus in 1 into minus 3 into 4. Now 24 as it is, here we have to multiply these 3. First 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12 minus as it is. Then when we subtract 12 from 24, it becomes plus 12, means 12 meter. Therefore 12 distance it travels during this time. Next, some questions are there. See here on next page, below side one question is there, and the question is in this way: a bus starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square. Now here acceleration is 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes, means time. Find the speed. We have to calculate speed, means v. The distance means a. These things you have to find out. See, first given initial velocity, no, it means 0. See here, from rest they have mentioned. Rest means u is equal to 0. Now a is equal to 0.1 meter per second square. Time 2 minutes into second, 2 into 60, 2 6 are 12, 0 as it is, means 120 second. We have to calculate v question. We know that the formula v is equal to u plus 8. V as it is equal to initial velocity 0 plus 0.1 a t 120, 0 as it is plus, and here multiplication only 12. Just we have to cancel this point and cancel this 0. It means 12 meter per second. Now we have to calculate a distance. Distance formula s is equal to ut plus 1 upon 8 square. U 0, t 120 plus 1 upon 2 into a 0.1 t 120 bracket square. Now 0 into 120, 0 plus 1 upon 2 into 0.1 into here square of 120 is equal to 1440. When we divide, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. Remain 0 plus 1 into 0.1 into 720. Now 0 as it is. Now multiplication of these 3, it's only 72. Cancel this point and cancel this 0. It means 72 meter. Means first we have found that is a speed. We have taken, calculate, that is 12 meter per second, and the distance travel, that is 72 meter that travel. This is the answer. Next we will see in our next video. I hope you understood it better. If any queries there, please student comment your queries, we will solve it. Please subscribe my channel and show thumb for this video. Thank you.